Let me try to explain a bit better the difference between på and ni, because it can be very difficult to understand, and it's one of the most difficult things to understand, especially if you are at the A1, A2, and B1 level. And even my students in my courses in B2 level, they can still mix this up sometimes because it's very complex. So my first note here to you is that på I is a long process because it's very vast and very big. So don't expect to learn this in one video or in 1 week or even in 1 month, because it takes months and months and months of studying and practicing, because there's so many different situations here. I'm going to give you a rule that can help you. På normally we use a lot for places. There's a lot of places we use på for. Remember that it's the place that we use på. Okay, it's connected to the location you're at. Okay, look at this. Jeg er på kino. You're at the cinema. Jeg er på restaurant. Jeg er på jobb. Jeg er på ferie. These are examples of, we have a long list of these things. Learn when you use på because it's connected to the location you're at. Okay, so just learn. Don't ask questions because it's weird. Why is it like that? Because Norwegians decide it's like that, so it's very weird. That's på. All right? I, it's also very big, same here, but we use it a lot for when we are inside something. Okay? For example, if I say, jeg er I huset, you're in the house. Jeg er I rommet, you're inside the room. I'm thinking something that is closed with borders, or there's limits to it, okay? Maybe like, think of a box, you're inside it, all right? I is also used for I hagen, in the garden, because yes, it has borders, you're inside it. I is also used for all countries, continents, cities. Jeg er I Oslo. Jeg er I Bergen. Jeg er I Norge. You're inside things like that. I hagen. I parken. You're in the park. Think of it as something that's locked. I bilen. I'm inside the car. You're in the car. Right? I inside things. På for when you are at specific locations that we have to just memorize. Okay, I hope this helps. Okay, a lot of people struggle with it, and this thing is very important that we practice it a lot. I'm doing this a lot in my conversation classes where we practice these things. You need to practice. You need to practice the things. It's a long process, or it takes time.